and it's always a song. So when they come out, it's just like doing anything and blah blah, just doing it around the house. Let's move on to the agenda of the day. So we are here to discuss on relationships. That is
They do. I think they do a lot of things. Hi guys, so I'm going to go pick my kids up from school and I just said let me pop here. Guys, remember the we listen we don't judge challenge that is trending? So we listen we don't judge. I haven't combed my hair in like 3 weeks or so and I just combed it today, and guys, I have a full natural hair. Like, oh my god, guys, do you have natural hair? Who has natural hair? Like, I want someone that can relate to me. How was I like so dumb to let my hair stay for 3 weeks without combing it? It was so stupid of me. Nasha wahala, I paid the price. I really had to cry. It's not easy, really not easy, guys. So okay guys, I want to show you this thing that my daughter makes. It is like a phone stand. It is made from resin, like resin, like which one is the correct pronunciation? I don't know. Shashide resin. Kuma, it is very, very functional, like especially if you're like me that likes watching on Netflix or all that, or even if you want to use it to make YouTube videos, so you can just like keep your phone on it. Like, okay, let me try using this phone. So can you see? Concern this about the but you're supposed to keep it on like a flat surface. So okay, so you keep your phone, and then if you want to watch, you watch. If you want to make a video, like a sit down video, you can just keep it and make your sit down videos. It's very, very functional, and it's just 3,000 naira only. Please support, buy, and it can be made in any color you want. And if you want customization, you can ask for customization. You can ask for any color you want, and it's just 3,000 naira including the customization, and she's going to write your name on it if you like, and yeah, all that good stuff. So bari mu je dauko su a makaranta sai na dawo. Ya kamata in je in kara mai a motar nan, so I'm going to go add fuel in the car first. I hope I get money like from the POS. Wata rana mutum ya je filling station sai su ce ba su da cash, so I'll just see what I can do. So hot in here. See you guys later. Guys, so I just came back home. I came back from picking up the kids from school, and I got this. So let's see what they have in. Just that was the video. Just take it that way. We got this. We also got this for kids, and we got this, one of my favorite products. I really love this product, honestly. If you're a woman, you're a lady, you need to have this product. Send me a DM and get yours. We also got this face cream. Okay, and then we got this hand cream. Well, I go free things are always nice. I love freebies in my life. We got this. We also got this. One avocado. I really love it. But every single time I get it for free. Like every single time someone gifts me this. Like the last one, wallahi I was thinking of like how do I buy another one, and then I got this. Wallahi Allah, he knows I don't have money, so he gave me things for free. And then this Opti Fresh toothpaste. I've never used this toothpaste before, but Najla been showing it and it also say. So let's see if my teeth can become white, because my teeth are yellow. Then we got this tender care. Then I need to tell anyone on Columba. I have always used the light pink one. I don't know if this one is like that one. I don't know about the smell. I really don't like this. Now go there, it's not as if I'm go there, but now go there. But I don't like this smell. Yeah, what? Raspberry. Me name raspberry. I really don't like how it smells. But thank you. What I used to say, this is a perfume. Possess. Okay, absolute man. But I'm Amazon. I would really love this. Like, I would love to smell this on my husband. It smells good. Unless it's long lasting, because as far as I know, the perfumes from Oriflame are usually not long lasting. So this is everything we have here. Unless one is long lasting. Yeah. I'm just looking at myself through the mirror there, and I don't even know why I'm looking at myself through the mirror, guys. So I know that the video is bad, like the angle is somehow. Okay, one stand that I was talking to you guys about is what I'm using, but the problem is not from the stand. It is from how I kept the phone. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I have anything to show you guys. Please watch my ads and comment. Come on, comment, man. Now come on, comment. Just write something. Right, hey Mariam, you are beautiful. Just type it now and continue watching the video. Thank you. Comment. Beautiful. My cat is pregnant and I think she's suffering from early labor. The Allah, look at how dirty she is. Tajita kwa kwanta akasa awaji. Let me see. Show me your wee. I want to check. The Allah jikin sak aya a jikinki. What is this, Sparks? Now you have to make me remove everything. Don't know your problem. Alright, let me see them. Wait, I'm not going to touch your stomach. Let me see. Yaran fitowa suke yi ne ko me? Oh, karin je nuna muku abin duniyan ta a camera. Let's see. Let's remove it. Mu cire kayan. Mene? Hi guys, this is another day, another driver duty. I'm going to go pick the kids from school. And then we're going to the only place that is available in Zaria, which is Chicken Republic, to get some things for Arif. And then, I don't know, maybe I'm going to take you somewhere new today to go and get some bread. Yes, maybe I'll take you somewhere new today. And then, what? I don't know. Let's just go. Say muga yenda abze unfolding. Like the video I made, I made it like 4 days ago. da na ce muku na kusan sati uku ban taje kaina ba. We listen, we don't judge. Nobody should judge me. So yanzu this is like 4 days and still ban sake taje kan nan ba. Kuma ban fita don tafi salon ba. Like I need to go to the salon to wash my hair and then make my hair, like I need to make my hair like the last hair of December. Like I need to do that because I cannot be making my hair all the time. Da ba ko ni sati nake kiso ni yanzu ban san me ya faru ba wallahi. What happened to me that I don't like making my hair? Wallahi ban ma sani ba. I just need to make my hair last kisan 2024 inshallah. Allah ya bani ikon yi. Amin. So I don't even know what I'm rambling about though. Mama said me nake faɗa ba. Watch my arts, watch my arts, watch my arts. Bari mu je mu ɗauko yara daga makaranta. To me yasa mun kulle mota ne? Me yake? I can't even find this. Gam kullin da nake nema yana jikina. Guys, please support my daughter. Support. Take yi wa'ina raising arts. So you should support her. Look for battle in kullin na ne ko. Inna lillahi. To why no key detected? To barka. To ku je ku saya da Allah. Za mu ku key holder da sunan ku kuma. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Bye. Guys, I'm waiting for my order. I just thought to come and say hello. I'm so bored. I don't know what to do. My order is ready. Bye-bye. Guys, so this is the place I came to. Thank you. Sunday. This is what the place looks like. So I'm going to buy bread. These cookies are not looking nice, guys, but they are nice. Try it. Just look at how this dog trusts me. Like he knows I'm not going to hurt him. I'm touching him with my legs, but he knows I'm not going to hurt him. I just love it. No, I'm not going to continue. The kids are late, Rocky. Oh my God. Roxy, how are you? Let me pass. Roxy. I need to pass. Guys, the weather is cold. Akwai sanyi gaskiya, masha Allah, tabarakallah. Kun san mene? Like, I'm about to take the kids to school and I'm smelling so good. I'm smelling so good from the perfume I used yesterday, guys. I smell so good. And the worst thing is I can't even remember the name of the perfume. I just can't remember the name of the perfume and I need to find out. I smell good. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Hi guys. I just feel cute and I thought to end this video here. So this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoy the video. Please give me a thumbs up, comments. Just go and comment something now. This is my beautiful hijab that Aisha of Crunchy Crumbs sent me. I really love this hijab. I love it so much. I never knew I was going to love something this green. When I want green, she needs teal green, mint green, come. Please, I'm a disgrace. I don't even know my colors. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys in my next video, inshallah. Guys, bakwa bani ginger. These days I don't feel a lot of ginger like to pick up the camera and talk. So you guys should ginger me. You guys should drop a comment. Thanks for watching and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.